So today we discuss about phylum Annelida and Arthropoda. In Annelida, like we previously discussed up to phylum Aschelminthes. So in Annelida, organ system level of body organization is present. What the organ system? That organ start to developing, like excretory organ, respiratory system, that they start developing. They are eucoelomate. That means true coelom is present. Three types of coelom: acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, and eucoelomate. So in the Annelida, start eucoelomate. They having bilateral symmetry. What do you mean of bilateral? When cut to the one plane to the middle, they are divided into the equal halves. That is called bilateral. They are having triploblastic germ layer. That means ecto, endo, and meso. Three germ layers are present. They may be aquatic, terrestrial, or parasites. Locomotory organ, that is CT and parapodia. CT is present in the earthworm and parapodia is present in the nares. Respiration through the moist skin. In the earthworm, the moist skin, they diffuse the gases and respiration is take place. Excretion by the nephridia. In annelids, they having longitudinal and circular muscles. By these muscles, they help in the locomotion. Monoecious. What is mean of monoecious? That means bisexual. Male and female parts present in the one individual. Example: earthworm and leech. Closed circulatory system is present. In this phylum, circulatory system are start. What is mean of closed circulatory system? When heart pump out the blood, they are reach to the blood closed vessels like in capillaries, arteries, and veins, and then reach to the cells and tissue. Hemoglobin in plasma. Like in the mammals, hemoglobin is dissolved in the blood, but in the case of Annelida, hemoglobin is present in the plasma in the dissolved form. The double ventral nerve cord, that is solid nerve cord, is present, and sexual reproduction. That is all about Annelida. Next we move to the Arthropoda. Similar one, organ system eucoelomate and bilateral symmetry also present in Arthropoda. They are also triploblastic, and most peculiar feature, that is joint appendages. Arthro means and poda mean appendages, and artho mean joint. So they are having joint appendages. Body is divided into the three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Respiration, different types respiratory organs are present according to their habitat. Gills, book gills, and trachea. Trachea, that is present in the insects. Book gills and book gills are present in the scorpion spider. Excretion by Malpighian tubules. They are dioecious. So Arthropoda are dioecious like cockroach. Most largest phylum in animal kingdom, because most of the many number of insects are present in arthropods. Open circulatory system are present. Unlike annelids, they having closed circulatory system, but they having open. Blood is pumped out from the heart or directly burst into the cells and tissue. Does not reach to the arteries and veins. Hemocyanin is present. In respect to hemoglobin, they having hemocyanin, copper containing pigment, mostly present in the crustaceans, which provide the blue color. Very important. Their exoskeleton is chitinous. Chitinous, that is a hard substance, polymer, that is make the exoskeleton hard. Economically, some arthropods having economically important, like Apis indica, example, that is called honeybee, and Bombyx, that is help in the formation of silk. Also vector. What do you mean of vector? Those organisms, organisms which transmit the disease by carrying the parasites, like Anopheles mosquito, which carry the Plasmodium parasite. Aedes and Culex also, they are called vector. Sensory organs are present, like antenna, statocyst. Statocysts are present in the that is play a role in the balancing, that is present in the prawn. So that is all about Annelida and Arthropoda. Write down the fair notes point wise. Thank you.